A lot of people remembered this corset but couldn't remember who made it. Welcome to our channel. We are a bespoke corsetry brand called Woman's Armor. If you're interested in how that corset came to life, please keep watching. If you watch their content a lot, you may remember that Bertie has hearing issues and does videos in American Sign Language occasionally. Our zoom fitting procedure is the key to getting accurate measurements, which are essential for a good fit. At the time, we hadn't any experience with deaf clients, so we were worried about communication during the fitting. Safe to say, this turned out to be one of the smoothest fittings we've ever done. The speech recognition feature on Zoom worked really well, and Bertie's experience helped a lot. Normally, measuring for a vest requires assistance, but thanks to Bertie's professionalism and efficiency, we were able to do it without any help. We took the full set of measurements because we weren't yet sure what we were going to make. Bertie had the brilliant idea to keep the design a surprise. At first, we wanted to prioritize practicality. Basic pieces sell well because they're versatile. We were fine with making the most boring nude mesh underbust ever if that meant that Bertie would use it regularly and tag us every time. On the other hand, we also wanted to expand our portfolio. We may have a wide range of skills and a lot of ideas, but people are reluctant to buy until they see you apply those skills and execute those ideas. We had to strike a balance here. Dasha saw a photo of Bertie in drag showing their top surgery scars and had an idea to incorporate that in some way. Every trans person is different, and Dasha wasn't sure how appropriate it would be to even ask about that reference. Bertie ended up loving the idea, and we went on to brainstorm something that both Dasha and Sasha would like. Dasha's first idea was to reference a popular corset style from the 1500s when the stays were flat but the shape of the breasts were recreated with a string of pearls. She thought about mixing pearls and red rhinestones for scars and blood. She also incorporated an exaggerated hip line into the design. We've made some corsets with padded hips for burlesque performers, but only one set of panniers, and we would like to make more. Sasha wasn't a fan of the whole look. She found a beautiful tattoo by Noodle Dead where the scars were turned into spiky branches. Dasha used that as inspiration and designed this flat over bust with a see-through section and rhinestone spikes embroidered over it. In an email to Bertie, Dasha mentioned the evil headmistress vibe of their makeup looks, and they confirmed that they wanted to lean into that persona. At the time, we were finishing our Mad Moxie corset with a faux double breast, so we were gravitating toward menswear almost involuntarily. Dasha suggested playing with androgyny by making a faux waistcoat with lace detailing to cover the scars. She also drafted a sketch of a basic vest with pocket squares on the scars. And we had the winner. Sasha suggested using beaded flowers instead of pocket squares and making them in trans flag colors. This move actually had a hidden agenda. We have long wanted to do a matching wedding set, corset for the bride, corseted vest for the groom. Even though we did not market this corset as a wedding piece, we would be very happy to take a similar commission for your wedding. The fit was perfect, and the love in the comments was absolutely overwhelming. We are very grateful to Bertie for trusting us and introducing us to so many people. Please let us know in the comments which aspects of the creative process you prefer to hear about. Thank you very much for watching this video and following our journey.